So today, you'll learn how to save a project from CapCut onto your desktop. So the first step is to open your project. It can be an older project that you are working on, or it can be a new project. So let me open my new project and then just create it. I can just edit it to wherever it is I want, either a photo or a video. And then just say, for example, I've gone through all my edits. So once I've gone all through my edits, if I want to save it onto my computer, it's fairly simple. All I need to do is come to this export option at the top of my screen and then click on it. Once I've selected it, I can now rename my file if I already haven't. So something like that. And then you can also choose where you want it exported. So by default, it's set to your downloads folder on your File Explorer. So you can click on this icon and then you can choose a different location that you want to choose. So for me, I can choose the desktop. Then when I've selected the desktop, I can click on select folder and that's where it will be saved. If you have another location that you want to use, you can always choose to use that location, or you can even choose to create a whole new folder just for your CapCut files. So you can choose, so for example, desktop, and then select new folder, and then you can name this new folder CapCut project. And then once you've done that, you then want to select it and then click on select folder, and that will be your new file destination. You can also come even further and edit the cover of the video so that you can now choose to have a thumbnail for that specific video for CapCut. So if you're okay with that, you can just go through and customize it to your liking. So you have this cover design window that will open. Now you can just customize the thumbnail. Once you've finished with your customizations, you want to click on save, and then that will be your new cover for your video. And then you can go even further and change the resolution for your video. So by default, it's set to 1080. You can increase it to 2K or 4K, or you can decrease it to 720 or 480. Bear in mind that if you increase or decrease it, the file size should change as well. So for example, if I decrease it to 720, the file size will go down to like 35 MB. But if I increase it to 4K, then the file size increases to 129 MB. So it's up to you to decide which option you prefer to use. Then you also have the bitrate, so you can set it to lower, higher, recommended, or even your own custom option. Again, bear in mind this will affect the file size. And the file size will also be affected by you choosing the codec, the format, and the frame rate. Then once you're happy with all of those customizations, and if you want to run a copyright check, you can still do that. But if you're happy with all of those customizations, you want to click on export. So then just wait for the file to be exported. It might take a while depending on the size of the video, so just wait patiently. And now you can see it's already been saved to your desktop. So from here, you can then just minimize this window, and then you want to go to the location for your saved projects. So for me, it's on the desktop under CapCut projects. So when I double click on it, it will then open the File Explorer, and you'll see my file is now here. So from here, you can see the cover because I created a cover and the original CapCut video that I just exported. So that's how you can save projects to your desktop in CapCut. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.